Python data types, integer, whole numbers, such as 42 or -10. Float, numbers with a decimal point, such as 3.14 or -0.5. Boolean, true or false values, such as true or false. String, text enclosed in quotation marks, such as hello, world, or Python. List, a collection of values, enclosed in square brackets and separated by commas, such as 1, 2, 3, or apple, banana, orange. Tuple, similar to a list, but enclosed in parentheses instead of brackets and usually contains a fixed set of values, such as 1, 2, 3, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Dictionary, a collection of key-value pairs, enclosed in curly braces and separated by commas, such as name, John, age, Thies.